Hey guys, just a quick little heads up here on this Tuesday afternoon. So we're getting very close to the giveaway for the scale. Let me show you the scale. It's right here. I know it's backwards. It's an NRS 2i01 wireless scale. We got 16 names in the pot. You have basically about 24 hours left to get your name in. You got 24 hours to win this scale. Okay. Once I give that away, which will be tomorrow, we're gonna move on to I'll save that for tomorrow. But we're definitely giving away the scale here tomorrow, and I will also let you know what we're going to give away next. But like I said, you have 24 hours to put your name in the hat. All you got to do is comment on this video and tell me what my gross profit was for the year 2024. That's it. You can either put your name on this video, your guess on this video, or you can go back to the original video and do a guess on it. It's got the picture of Caroline Levitt, and it says giveaway update. You can do it on that one. There is an original video that has all the guesses on it, but I'll go through all the comments before I give it away. So just want to give you guys a quick update on that. But the scale is going to be given away tomorrow, but get your name in the hat because I only got 16. Get your name in there, and I'm happy to give it away. So, yeah, just a quick update on that.